Hello everyone, welcome to the series of Economics in 4 minutes. This is Dr. Atman Shah from Crack Economics and Statistics. In this video, we are going to discuss the idea of law of supply. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more videos on economics, SPSS and RStudio. Let's begin with the idea of law of supply. So law of supply shows the relationship between price and quantity supplied. Now, what do we mean by quantity supplied? Quantity supplied is the amount of goods and services sellers are willing and able to sell at different prices. So this law says that there is positive relationship between price and quantity supplied, holding other things constant. So therefore, rise in price leads to increase in quantity supplied, and fall in price leads to decrease in quantity supplied. So higher the price, higher the quantity supplied, lower the price, lower the quantity supplied. Now, what is the reason behind this? So if prices are higher, profit is also higher. And therefore, at higher prices, quantity supplied is large. So due to higher profits at higher prices, sellers are willing and able to supply more quantity. Now, what are the assumptions? We assume that there is no change in factor prices. So the prices of factors of production are constant. There is no change in production techniques. We also assume that the price of related goods is constant. There is no change in government policy because we know that government policy can affect the production cost. And no speculation regarding the future prices. So under these assumptions, we have positive relationship between price and quantity supplied. This is our supply equation. So here QS is quantity supplied and P is price. D is the slope of supply curve, and positive sign shows the direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. Now, what is D? So D shows a change in quantity supplied for a unit change in price. For example, D is equal to 2.7. This means that quantity supplied will change by 2.7 times for a unit change in price. So this is how we interpret the slope of supply curve. Here we have supply schedule. So you can see as price increases, quantity supplied also increases. In the diagram, we have quantity supplied on x-axis and price on y-axis. And this is our supply curve. So supply curve is nothing but the graphical presentation of the direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. You can see as price increases, quantity supplied also increases. And therefore, we have upward sloping supply curve. In other words, we can say supply curve is positively sloped because price and quantity supplied are positively related or direct relationship between these two variables. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crack Economics and Statistics. Thank you.